Hey guys, I'm Brianna. I'm going to be explaining DNA fingerprinting analysis. So we're just going to look at this first locus first. So first we're going to start with the victim, see if it matches either of these hairs. And it matches the first and second allele on the first hair, but neither on the second hair. So possibility that this could be the victim's hair. So for suspect 1, let's see, it matches the first allele for the first hair, but not the second, so it could not be the suspect 1's hair. This hair 1 could not be suspect 1's hair. And it matches only 1 again with hair 2, so it could not be, hair 2 could not be suspect 1's hair. Suspect 2 actually matches both alleles on hair 2 and neither on hair 1, so possibility that hair 2 could be suspect 2's hair. And then for suspect 3, it matches with 1 allele on hair 2, but not the other, so it could not be hair 2, and again 1 allele on hair 1, but not the other. So neither of these hairs are suspect 3's. And then suspect 4 matches 1 allele on hair 1 and 1 allele on hair 2 again, but could not be suspect 4's hair. So for locus 2, you can see that, again, the victim matches hair 1 identically with both alleles and does not at all match hair 2. So we can confirm that hair 1 is most likely the victim's hair. And then suspect 1, sorry, you can see that it matches 1 allele on hair 2, but not the other, and neither on hair 1, so suspect 1 does not have either of these hairs. Suspect 2, you can see it matches with 1 allele on hair 1, not the other though, so we can rule out hair 1, and it matches with both on hair 2, so suspect 2, in both locuses, you can see that they're identical, so most likely hair 1 is the victim's and hair 2 is the suspect's. And for the rest of them, you can see that they don't match up correctly. Neither allele for suspect 3 on either of the hairs, and only 1 allele for suspect 4, actually both, sorry. Both alleles match up with suspect 4 for hair 2, but they don't match up in the first locus, therefore we can rule out suspect 4 for hair 2. For these two suspects, considering that they have matching alleles on both loci means that it is a possibility that suspect 1 could be suspect 3's biological parent, considering they give at least 1 allele to the offspring at each loci. So either one of these could be the biological parents since they are identical in this one. And for locus 2, you can see that they would have, you can see that suspect 1 would have to give this allele to suspect 3.